Okay, you guys, so welcome back to my channel. I would like to thank you guys so much for 541 subscribers. You know I gotta thank my subscribers. Today, this video that I have for you guys, I wanted to do something, you know, like I like to focus on natural skin most of the time, so I wanted to do something like that where I'm just showing you guys how to keep it more natural. So this by any means necessary is no law at all to anybody. This is just something that I wanted to do just in case there's people out there who are looking for a more natural look and they just want to have a more natural makeup look, because I know that the trending things on YouTube right now are definitely like the cake face, baking, crazy dark eyebrows, all of that. So I wanted to like kind of bring something different to you guys, or kind of get you out of the habit of just going to that like super dark brow, super like lined lip or whatever. So if you're interested, then make sure that you keep watching, because I'm going to give you guys some tips and a few tricks on how to get that natural look. So without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next clip. These days I'm definitely doing my brows a little bit more differently than before. I always switch up my brows, so this is nothing new. Like you may see like 17 different brow tutorials on my channel. That's just a number I'm throwing out. Never mind that. But yeah, you may see a lot of brow tutorials here on my channel because I really love eyebrows and I always switch up the way I do my brows. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in and take this brow gel, and it has like a little color to it, and I'm going to go in and brush my brows up. So I'm lightly applying this gel because it is kind of dark, and I do not want like a very dark brown. But this is just going to give me a very natural brow appearance, and I love to brush the brows up now. Like, this really gives me like that Kelly Baker brow type thing, you know? So next I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution. So I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. And what I'm going to do with this is take it and use my little brush. It's already a little dirty because that's the brush that I like to use in the morning when I'm on my way out. So this is usually all that I do to my brows. To my face, as of lately, I haven't been wearing makeup as much, but I would just do my brows. So this is what I do. I like to go underneath and line underneath the brow. Give it that shape. And so I'm gonna dip in there one more time, because you do want not so much generous amount, but a little generous amount, just so you can get that nice little outline. And you also want to be able to cover up those hairs that aren't plucked. So you don't even have to really go in and pluck any hairs or anything like that. I mean, unless that's what you want to do, but you don't have to. So next step is I like to take my stick foundation, and this is Black Opal and Carrot, and I'm going to apply this underneath the brows as well. And this is going to give it a more natural look, like I just got them waxed. Just bear with me, y'all gonna love this. Y'all are gonna love this. I got a new camera, by the way. I'm so excited. And I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited for everything that I have in store for you all. But back to the tutorial. So I'm gonna go in with that carob on here as well and go underneath, but not covering up all of the Makeup Revolution concealer. So I don't want to cover up all of it, but I want to cover it just enough. So this is what it's looking like right now. Then I'm going to go on the other side and do the same. Take some from this side because we don't need that much. We just want this to look natural. So this is really just mixing those two colors together and making it a more natural look underneath the brow. This is also the shade that I like to use to contour. And we are also going to get into that. So now I'm just taking any excess product that I have on the brush and I'm going to do this. Kind of go inside of that concealer that's up there and bring it down. Just to give it a more natural look. And also lightly like blend it back and forth. Not so heavily, but just a little bit. So then you get that fresh, like I just got my eyebrows waxed look. But then I want to go in and blend it so that, you know, it's blended. This is a brush I got from AliExpress. So I'm not done yet. I'm gonna go in where I brush the brows up and just go on top and kind of like use the brush to have the hairs go in the direction that I want them to go. And so this is just going to give it a little shape up there where the brow hairs aren't like just standing up. Some people do like that look where it just stands, but I like it to look like I actually waxed them. I think that's more of like that boy makeup, model makeup look. So I like it to look like this. Voila. So let me get all of y'all real, just because I can. So because I don't want to make this video super long, because there are a lot of steps that I need to go over with you guys, and just to get you guys like, I don't know, like some very thorough and good advice for you guys to use. I know that people attention span is very short, so I wanted to probably like make this video into like probably like some type of series where I do 8 videos and just show you guys within those 8 videos. So this will be video number 1, and you guys could just disregard the first few things that I said prior to this. If you're interested in watching like the complete series of videos, then I'll definitely have them all linked in the description box. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.